Welcome to my game development stream. First, we're gonna look at the current state of the game. For that, I start my environment, and then I'm gonna decide what I wanna do today. Starting takes a few seconds. Here's my game. The character model is currently work in progress, but despite that, he currently shoots bullets, and these are enemies. If I hit them with my bullets, they die, and I get XP. I kill enough, I get a level up and can make a random upgrade. He multi-shot is shooting now 2 bullets. Basically doubling my damage. Now 3 bullets and so on. And I lose. My HP reaches 0 if they touch me, and my score is a high score game basically. The distance, the further away from the middle I am, the better my score, so running back to the middle lowers it. And yes, that's it. Now, couldn't run further away from the middle, the enemy is getting stronger. And now I died. Score 1907. That's the current state. And I'm currently thinking how to make the whole character model and animation. Therefore I need to write code that can handle all that, and I was unsure how I should start. Here I had a first idea, but still don't like it. So I'm probably gonna change it up a bit. But I need to think. So it will probably a quieter stream. So what I don't like is I have too many types. Split it onto all the subparts, but in the end I cannot use this type like I want to. I don't know how to use TypeScript correctly, maybe, or optimally. This may having this types would my first idea would probably be can't think about how I load all these images, because there's some maybe this is a better start. It's not character related. Here, image. How would it's not image.js or image lot? Can call it Z. Or take something like this, but will not be camera related. I need image path if I run. Does not. Okay, this is the base information of, but I probably need arrays here of multiple widths and heights. But should I do more here? So if I put in a 0, I get the height of the first row. If I put in a 0, I get the width of the first row for sprite. Maybe that's better to understand. And I need a name type. Do I? I save them all in this thing. Images of image. I have a name for the image. Let's start with auto exporting. Next thing. Have these. I would have no images. Base color. I make it as optional. I think this is an optional value. Can sprite height is just 20 and width is just 20. Same here. Now I would also need to put my map images in here. My tiles. Should I? Not quite sure if this is part of the base. This not just images. So I cannot do that. He doesn't allow base colors then. Hmm. Can I start this empty and then in the characters I would say images push second no push, it's a set it one add. I'm confused. Have an object with strings to image. Do I need to do it this way? Ah, yes, they are changed. Take it from here. Don't know if it was faster in the end. Allows this, and what does he? It's not a module. I did delete too much. No. Okay, too many. Now it should work. I Now I fixed it. Seems he does not care for that. Now I don't know what happens if I this away. He doesn't like it. Although he has all the required value, he doesn't like the additional one. Mm. I could solve it in different ways. I only know the any type. I will not play input image load. Now other files can push in the images. The map related thing and character related things. I could add one, call it properties. It's an optional any type. Now I could do properties like this. You would like it. Now everyone can put in additional stuff. Now this could work. Could do the same for player. Okay, so my current player, my future player did have more parts and not a base color. Let's do my current. So I had something like 15, 15, 10 or so, and 20, 20, 20. This pushes something in here. Now the loading would need to happen in here. Something like function not image. String. No. Type string, but image name. No. How should I call this value? Image key. Image key. Now, where did I load the image? Is it in Paint? Here I have the load image. Here I use canvas. Let's start with this. If that image is images image key, image reference is undefined. I make a new one. Image path. HTML image element. Okay, I have double image. This is a problem. This is this new image. This is, let's create game image. Game image. And this game images. And let's call it game images. I should have written it new. Game images. Text. No, I have this game image. Put the path in here. This looks good. This is more a get image. Not image. We'll see. If it's complete, I created a canvas for it, but complete I find in there. Canvas stuff I do not need. Don't think need anything from here. Is everything? Export it. Not much. I can do this color variant also in here. Load image. It's the image. If it's undefined, we load it. But it will take a bit of time. Still have to check if it's ready. So this color we place is I can have all images in here, and I can do the base loading here. Now I do the color also. Let's do it. This is an optional parameter. If brackets I have a color and game image properties exist, and here it has to be base color. Exists, then I could do the stuff happening here. See, these are the same values. No, I can do a game image directly. Also do it here. Doesn't change too much, does it? Image. I think it makes sense to do it directly with the game image instead of the key. Stuff now comes into properties. He doesn't even care if they might not exist. Mm. Oh, if I load it, I will have it do not need exclamation. It can be a question mark. Loads image, I create color variants. I should do check if image ref exists. If it exists, completed, I do this stuff, but also the canvas should not exist yet. This is undefined. Then I create it. Now I need the color replace. This. Nope, that was wrong. Place color. Do I need image data? Color. Any type? To change color, let's any for the moment. No, I need and one more that. Image data. Color to change color. Color conversion. Sit here. Put here. I have everything in here, I think. See what happens. Let's do one more look at color variants. I check if properties exist in the canvas. The color to sprite not in here. Is check if it's complete. I think order can matter. Canvas is undefined, but what is exist? These exist. Canvas. Maybe image. Character image ID. Okay. If is one. Can be undefined, but he doesn't say it. It has an image pass. It's a different load image now. Jeez. Canvas. Can to find and replace. I did not do it perfectly. Can this work? I will see. Not so high my confidence. Okay. Basically, nothing gets painted now. Paint character. I load the image. In the model, I put game images in. I have the sprayed row heights and widths. This might be image load. I go over the complete. Width and height. The image. I replace, which is good. The character doesn't have color replacement. Let's debug. Does he load images? Network. Move the filter. Octree grass slime enemy. Let's restart and the player. He loads the images. Good sign. I probably paint. No. Character image property canvas. For my player, I do not use the canvas. And for my slimes, I use it, but I create color variation. So Boses never gets fulfilled. Does he want for canvas image source? I put it in pose. This whole thing with painting it more be paint image. I have an image for the character. I have an image pass, which means I can load it. If I have a canvas, I paint it. Check if it's not a canvas. Image ref complete. And now I will just try it. This is a 0. This is a 0. The image reference. See how it looks. Oops, it broke. Parties. This is wrong. Character image. I just take the 0. Same with 8s. Now I'm a big head, but based on what I did, it's what it should be, is correct. The slimes are also back. So far it's working. But now I want a player to be randomized. GIMP. And I open recent. No, not the PNG. Let's give them different colors. Save. Export. So nothing will change, but I have now 2 variants. Image load, this is color based. I need now a port function create randomized character. Let's start with this. We need the game image for that. But this only works for certain types, and we need to return the thing we can paint. Back he wanted a converts image source. Turn undefined, probably doesn't like it. Okay. I need think I will need a canvas where I paint on. I need the 2D and I need to paint something on it. And then I can I return the canvas? The canvas is He likes it. I have the image, I have its width, I have the image height, the color conversion, which is not something which happens here. So now it's just the main image, and even too big. I start with this. Now my character paint, where randomized stuff can be deleted, I think. Because let's see. I never pushed this state. So I'm losing it, but I don't think I need it. Now paint. No, I first need to put I need oh god, how do I do it? The character is what gets transferred over network, so I do not want the complete image to be in here. I will just the parts which make it up, and I need to image load. So I create the image. But I need a key for it. I'm basically 000 currently. Let's do this, something like character. Let's randomized paint key, the string, something like this. If I give him a key, I want to paint him. I see I do not. No, the paint has to see it's missing. I need to create it. I wanted to put them in the player, but the player only needs a key. So I can also push it in the properties. Place color. Okay. This is a new load type. I have the player behind it. It's not a color now, it's a key. Okay, do we turn the image? Hmm. Let me export function create randomized character key. Randomized. I need the random seed. I return a string is I also need the game image for what I generate. I do next random. The seed. And lower it, and I multiply it with. Let's do a game image. Links. We add start with nothing. If e bigger than 0 plus equals separator and game image also hate widths. I don't know the number of options. At least if they are... That's interesting. And let's do a 2 for now, because I know I have 2. I think this creates a random key. Then I do for my leveling character. I create a leveling character. Do not have the seed in here. References. Create player character. Player. And add player is in here. I have the game. So I can get the random seed to here fast enough. Okay. Character. I want the random. Why do I have is moving in here in the first place? Don't remember. Let's see what happens if I take it away. And it's always false. Does someone complain? The random spawn following enemies always move. In the game test, let's see. Game test. It 2, let's remove it. Maybe this breaks the enemy. Because it always moves, but we will see. I will not see because I don't test it. Character, model, appearance. Create character doesn't need it. Create player character. Does create leveling character. And in here I could do it. Okay. Random seed. Or just seed. Random seed. And I have, or what did I call it? Randomized paint key is 8. Load, create randomized character key. character paint key. And this needs a seed. It needs a game image. Okay. Game images. Player. Random seed. Need one more error. Player. Game. No. Wait. Okay, in the seed, random seed. And yeah, I have the game state seed. Now I think I set the random seed. Now in load image, let's get the randomized paint key in here. Can also be empty. It's currently not perfect. If I have a color, else if I have a randomized paint key. And it's not empty. This currently needs no export. I create randomized character. It also needs a randomized key. Image key. Now I create randomized character. I turn a canvas. I currently only have one player, so I can do it pretty simple. Game image properties canvas is now this. So I currently don't use the key, but that's okay. I put something in the canvas. And now when I paint my character, will now have a canvas. I won't have this thing. Maybe I also do not put in let's switch it up a bit. I load it. Art. Character. Randomized paint key. Evoke it. My paste key can be undefined. Shouldn't he tell me that load image doesn't accept undefined? Can a string be undefined? Interesting. Let's try it. This is undefined by default. He doesn't like it. Undefined. Oh, he likes it. If not undefined. Interesting. Load. I saw this in now. Character also has a color. Color will be mostly set, but the image will not have a base color. So we go to here. All too complicated, but just get it working for now. Now, if I have a canvas, which is let's do, if this is a slime one, which is terrible, but do it for now. And now I'm again okay, both needs a canvas, so I can change it up. If it's a slime one, I can do this, and else I can do something else. Do I have one? Yes, this was too much. Now it's also the properties canvas. Properties canvas. Now I expect to see both or crash. Not found. Do I have? Yes. Sing.js. Okay. The properties do not exist. Define then the object and draw image. DOM exception failed to execute your image on canvas rendering context. Okay. Color variants. Check if it's complete. And I do not. I need to check it. Okay, still not what I expected. No, it's what I expected, I think. Paint the whole image. The moment I paint the character, I paint just one sprite. Sprite 8. Yeah, so it's expected. Can do 14 here. We'll paint the complete guy. Now let's clean this up. I don't think I will need it. I now should try to create a randomized paint key. Do not draw the complete thing, but let sprite indexes equals randomized paint key split. Returns a string iterator, yes. This is my separator. And now for equals 0 plus plus and smaller Right indexes lengths. I draw part of the image in the image. I need more values. 0, 0. This is width and height. I need game image. It's I. These will always stay the same. Not guaranteed. And heights. This is the help me. Heights. Here's the I is important. I paint source destination. I need the epsilon dvdr and split them up. Put them into their own lines. This is source x and y. In the x left right, I always start at 0. At y, it's important. Let source y equals 0. And this is source y. And at the end, source y will be moved by the height. Perfect. Stays the same. And also always thing, or I can here also lose the source y. I can use the same it's and maybe turn a canvas. Maybe it works, maybe not. Doesn't look like it works. Let's create it. Console log. I want the randomized paint key. Console reload 1111. Well, it doesn't change and he creates it all the time, so I have multiple problems. I don't need it has to be complete. And game image properties canvas also be undefined. So now he doesn't get a new Okay, because he doesn't throw it away, and maybe I need to throw them away. Problem for another time. But it's always 1, 1, 1, 1. This is currently the problem. Which means my next random seed times 2. Definition. This does not help. What do I do wrong? Console log. Isn't this a value between between 0 and 1? I multiply it by 2 and floor it. I would expect more than 1, 1, 1. Perfect. These are different. Now, if I paint, not game paint, character paint, paint key, in load image load I, lock the randomized key. One. It changes. But it doesn't change on reload. Why? Let's find out. And I still do not use the value from here. Okay. Offset equals sprite indexes I pass int times the width of the row, and this is my offset. I think it works. Oh yay, I do not have a body. Oh, I have a body. Let me see. There are two. Here's the left one. Can I see the player once? Preview? Here, okay. It's in there, so why is... Ah, yeah, I know. Image load, this is actually 0. Now it's a randomized. Think should randomize my character on reload. Let's see if I do this. Is at the players. Game init players. At player. Player gives the seed. With leveling character. Here I get randomize character paint key. I saw that this function get called. Ah, I know. It's no image load. Let's see, I don't think that I can delete it yet. No, to trash. Image load. I only wait it here. The canvas is not set, but I now need more than one canvas. So let's do one more of these. Canvas, assess, is this a plural? Let's just do it. Canvas assess. Then we will do this and we push one. No. Bad. This is an empty object. I need it to be based on the key. Paint key. Perfect. If I have a my paste key, if it's loaded and it's getting a lot of conditions. Canvas says it's undefined. I think I need an OR here. Let's get around it. Do I format it? Or canvases randomized paint key undefined. Now I have a problem. If the properties do not exist, shouldn't it not work? We will see. For now I will canvas is and oh no, it's canvas. If canvas else if canvas is and where do I have okay, this can be undefined. So I also need this, and if I have it, I can use it. I broke something. If I format, do I see where? And I'm confused. Somewhere I'm missing something I do not see. I have one bracket here, so this would need to be here. Would need to be here. This needs all to be. Is this too much? I think I found it. Okay. I don't expect it to work, but let's see. Do not get painted at all. I already forgot my thought. Properties does not exist. So if this is the case, let's break it up a bit. Then we can do another if. We have to put this in here. In here. And now I lost track. It should not be correct, or should here? So if a lot of luck, this can work. No. If I have a randomized key and the image is completed, then I create the properties if they do not exist. If the canvases do not exist, I create it. If this is undefined, which should no longer be the case because I just created it, need to check if the key does not exist, then I create it. So far so good. and little bit. I would expect this to be able to work. And now, if canvas, I'm on the wrong see, I am here. So I need to move this here. Okay, I got it. Now my character is randomized. Every time I start new, I have a randomized one. Also the randomization is just color currently, but it's a start. Okay. Let's think. I think this is a decent start. Let's look over it. Yeah, it's okay. The game file's okay. I did the width thing. I disabled this. I created the image load. Have the seed in here now. The testing character. Let's fix character model. This is indeed changing a lot. And the color conversions. I think I can throw out stuff here. I have in the image load now the color conversions. So, can I delete it here? Can I delete this here? Delete this here. Character images. Character paint. Where is your problem? Top. Good, I could remove all that. Oh, this is more than image load, I think. More like image handling, but let's keep it for now. Seems fine. Yeah, I already was here. Did I stop? Character model, I did stop. Some changes here. Character paint, obviously, I need to improve on that code. Respawn. I added a sizing, okay. Game test. Okay, but this is a good point. I can run my test once, and I get a different result, but I'm bigger now. But my size is based on my width. This is expected. Good question. I only changed. No, I did not only change padding, I changed the size. Would be interesting to see the difference in performance. Can I think my character did have size 10. Let's change it up. Where do I give him the size? Do I put it in here? Width height. Let's go to references. 2040. Let's make 1010. Not sure if this was the original. Still a different score. Let's me play one time. I'm unsure. Does it make sense to change in the result? The random seed did also change. What does it matter for the choose? Okay, yeah, for my upgrade choices it changes everything. Okay. So I can also, for the moment, not use the random seed. Let me go and try. This will now always be 0. Perfect. I have my old score for 8. This is still the same. Where did I record it? For 5. Let's do one more. For 6. Maybe it's a tiny bit slower because now I paint my character instead of a circle. Let's the fact that the random seed influences the result of the test is something to remember and hard to see performance changes probably, but where did I make the last change here? Back. Random seed, I'm back to randomized. I can put my size back. I did it in layer. Yeah, 4020. And I'm randomized again. Perfect. I have a state to commit. My play is broken, but I will just record a new one. Maybe today. Have a few minutes. Randomized character. Randomized painted character. Randomized for painting. It's good enough. Did he say I didn't save something? Game tasks. Can I? Yeah, I wanted to save it. Still a lot to do. Let's push it. Let's play one round and record it. Our new version. So reload. Test setting restart and one new. Do I have? Wanted to do something different, but fine. I always take a lot of multi-shot at the start. Or more spread. Oh, I nearly died. Get a bit HP. Get some warning. Interesting. Yeah. I think hitting bigger targets makes it easier. So down pass is. And I'm dead. Okay. Stacks inputs, copy object. Go to my test inputs. Replace and go top and this course 6677. and 3747 47 save. First input is very early, but let's see. Test button. And I 64 copy. My test, git test. These values are now again no longer relevant. It's time. Okay. Let's see one more time. I had a time of 2 minutes, 50, 60. 2.5 minutes or so, and 6 seconds. Speed times 20, 30, 25 times faster. Okay. Looking good. And here the lines above, also the bug I need to look into one more time. I can create some more different sprites than just color. I can make the color replacement for it. I have some console logs still, an image load. And let me throw it out. Can we start new? That it slows down is okay. And I think that's it for today. I will end it here. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.